Okay, this is a little bit abstract, but this is supposed to be a space-time diagram of five red clocks passing 5 green clocks. The solid lines are the positions of the clocks, and the dashed lines represent when those clocks all tick. You can look at this from the viewpoint of the red clocks, where the green clocks are passing by to the left, or you can look at it from the point of view of the green clocks, where the red clocks are passing by to the right. Now you'll notice that when I do that, strange things happen to the synchronizations of the clocks. When I look at it from the point of view where the green clocks are stationary, then of course all of the clocks are synchronized, meaning we have the dashed lines are horizontal. When I look at it from the point of view of the red clocks, the dashed lines for the dashed lines for the red clocks are horizontal, which means that they're synchronized, but the clocks for the green clocks are not. So let's look at a couple of things right now. I have certain events highlighted right now. The red solid dots are dots representing the tick event for the central clock. So it goes tick, 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 tick. Now these green open dots represents where the 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 tick happens in a kind of a continuum of green clocks. What you can see here is that those green clock ticks, all 5 of them occur between the 0 and the 5 tick for the red clock. And the way I would express this is that the 1 clock measures less time than the green clocks. The green clocks measured 5 ticks faster. So the 1 clock measures less time than the green clock. Now I can switch this up and show the ticking of the green clock, and once again we see that the green clock measures, or the red clock measures faster time than the green clock. So the 1 clock is slower than the multiple clocks. The 1 clock is slower than the multiple clocks. So here, with the red clock, the 1 clock is slower than the multiple green clocks. And right here, the 1 clock, the green clock, is slower than the multiple red clocks. So that's a consistency. So whatever paradox you think there is in special relativity, let's see. I think this is the way they usually compare it. They say, look, the red clocks are slower than the green clocks, and then they will tell you, but the green clocks are slower than the red clocks. And but most of that paradox is just based on kind of a intellectual sleight of hand, a cognitive sleight of hand, where they get you to look the wrong direction, and you're comparing two different things that do not need to be the same, or do not need to be opposite.